Welcome to the Skin Reset, the no BS skincare podcast for women in their 40s and beyond who are ready to feel empowered in their skin again. I'm Jenny, a holistic skin specialist and your guide to real, practical, holistic skincare. Each week, we dive into pro-aging rituals, skin truths, and feel-good routines that work with your changing skin, not against it. So let's hit reset and dive into today's episode. Hello, my lovely skincare nerds. Welcome back to the Skin Reset podcast, where we break down holistic skincare into smart, doable steps that actually feel good. I'm your host, Jenny, skincare formulator, face massage therapist, and the founder of Jenny Nordic Skincare. Today's episode is a juicy one because we are tackling a question I get all the time, especially from women who are just discovering gua sha or facial massage, and the women that I see at my treatment room. And that question is, wait, doesn't massaging your face stretch the skin and cause more wrinkles? I feel this one, especially if you have been told for decades to be ultra gentle and never pull or tug at your skin. It can feel a bit scary to suddenly be gliding tools and hands across your face. So let's clear this up with science, good sense, and some practical tips. So where does this fear that pulling your skin causes more wrinkles come from? First things first, it makes total sense why this myth exists. Our skin does lose elasticity as we age, especially in our 40s and beyond, thanks to a natural decline in collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid. That means the skin becomes thinner, drier, and more prone to lines and wrinkles. So the idea of pulling or tracking counterintuitive, right? Like we're speeding up the damage. But here is the truth. It's not movement that causes wrinkles, it's muscle contraction. And over time, those repetitive contractions like squinting, frowning, or raising your brows can leave a permanent mark. The quality of your skin also plays a big role. If your skin is dry, depleted of collagen, or inflamed, it's more prone to those lines setting in. So instead of avoiding movement altogether, we actually want to support the skin and calm the muscles and relax them that hold chronic tension. That's where massage comes in and why it can be a game changer for aging well and for healthy skin. So let's geek out just a little. So what actually causes wrinkles? So wrinkles form for a few key reasons. Collagen loss. Starting around age 25, the collagen production drops by about 1% per year. Oxidative stress from UV exposure, pollution, lifestyle habits like smoking or lack of sleep, and repetitive expressions as well, like frowning, squinting, or pursing lips. These create dynamic wrinkles that can become static over time. And dehydration and inflammation, these are big ones during perimenopause. But here's the kicker: massage, when done correctly, can actually help prevent or minimize many of these causes. And why is that? Let's get into it. So excited. So what happens when you massage your face? So you are increasing circulation, blood circulation, oxygen circulation, lymphatic drainage, and even stimulating the fibroblasts in your dermis. These are little collagen factories of your skin. You're also relaxing the muscles that hold tension, especially the ones between our brows, around our mouth, and along the jawline. And tension is sneaky. It creates patterns in your expressions and posture that do lead to wrinkles. Regular massage helps retrain those patterns. Think like Pilates for your face. And with techniques like gua sha, where we use gentle gliding rather than aggressive rubbing or pulling, you are supporting the fascia, that connective tissue that wraps around your muscles and contributes to facial structure and tone. So no, you are not stretching your skin out, you are supporting it. So that said, technique does matter. So here are a few golden rules to make sure you are helping, not hurting your skin. So always use a slip product, like a facial oil is something I always recommend. Dry massaging can drag the skin. Think of it like you're trying to do yoga flow on a sticky carpet. No thanks. Rule, glide, not tug. Your hands or tools should float kind of over the skin with a gentle pressure. You are not kneading down here. So go in the right direction. Usually work upwards and outward. This follows natural lymphatic flow and helps counteract gravity as well. What's most important is to be consistent, not aggressive. A few minutes a day is better than an intense 20 60-minute session once a month. Slow and steady wins the glow. And if your skin is feeling inflamed, broken out, or very thin, especially during hormonal shifts, focus on a super gentle touch or even just lymphatic drainage under the jaw and around the ears. And I have shared some informative and nice videos over on our YouTube channel, and I will put all the links on the show notes for you so that you can click and go and get my instructions for lymphatic drainage massage, for washer massage, and face massage with you using your hands. There are times, though, when massage is not ideal, and this is when you have an active acne or rosacea flare-up. So I would advise you to avoid those areas on your skin, on your face. If you have a skin infection, if you just had injectables or surgery, I would avoid at least for 2-3 weeks to massage your skin, or if your skin feels very sensitized or has a very compromised skin barrier. And this is when it's best to pause or adapt, and you can still benefit from things like breath work, neck massage, or just a warm compress to soothe and support without stimulating too much. So I hope I have now busted the myth that massaging face causes wrinkles, because it absolutely does not when done correctly. In fact, it's one of the most supportive holistic tools we have for aging well. Think of it like when you've stopped moving your body or fear of pulling a muscle, you actually get weaker, not stronger. So the same goes for your skin. Gentle, intentional movement nourishes your skin from the inside out. And if you're feeling hesitant, just start small. 1 minute of breath work and cheek lifting, a few sweeps under your jawline, and our Glow and Revitalized Oil Serum. Take a breath and enjoy the moment. Skincare isn't just what you put on your skin, it's how you treat yourself, and your touch matters. It's communication, it's connection, and it can be deeply healing. So here's your takeaway. Massage doesn't age your skin. Neglect and disconnection do. Let's bring back loving, intentional touch, one client at a time. Thank you so much for listening to the Skin Reset. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, follow, and leave a comment. It really helps more women find us and feel at home in their skin too. And as a little thank you, you can take 15% off your next order at jennynordic.com with the code SkinReset15. That's SkinReset15 for 15% off all your favorite Jenny Nordic skincare. See you next time, and until then, keep it simple, keep it kind, and keep loving the skin you're in. You can also follow me for more skincare tips on Instagram at jenny.nordic. Thank you so much for listening to the Skin Reset. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, follow, and leave a comment. It really helps more women find us and feel at home with their skin too. And as a little thank you, you can take 15% off your next order at jennynordic.com with the code SkinReset15. That's SkinReset15 for 15% off your all favorite skincare at jennynordic.com. See you next time, and until then, keep it simple, keep it kind, and keep loving the skin you're in.